everyone. We've come to the last part of our Father's Day menu, which is dessert. So we will be making Domino brownies a la mode. And these are the things that we will need. Your favorite brownie mix. I am using this one today since this is the only one that I had in my pantry. And this box mix calls for half a cup of oil, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 eggs. To begin, we're going to grease our baking pan with some of the oil. And I already have my oven preheating to 175 degrees for 10 minutes already. Now, let's open this mix and pour everything in. I'm just going to create a well in the center. And pour. Everything in. That didn't take 5 minutes to make. So now that the mix is ready, we're now going to pour. Now this goes into our preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. We will insert a toothpick, and when it comes out clear, then we'll know that our brownies are ready. Our brownies have finished baking in the oven very nicely. I've already I've cooled them and cut them into 18 squares and 18 rectangles, the size of dominoes. So we are now ready to plate them. Now, before anything else, we will need the following: your white chocolate chips, some chocolate frosting, and of course, your ice cream. So I'm just going to pick out and you want to take your frosting and just put it thinly over your brownies, just so it acts like a glue for your white chocolate chips.